Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard. So for example, the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the... Oh my god, don't show it again. So as I said, browser, notes, messages, whatever. Just have the keyboard here on the screen, and then we can enter the settings on this top panel. Then tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So I'm pretty sure that you will find one. What is more, if you don't want to scroll down just like I do, simply tap on the search icon and you can type the language you'd like to use. I will find the order one as I wanted to show you. Okay, so after finding, just tap on it, and here pick the region just by tapping. Here we've got keyboard modes, and it depends on the language. Sometimes you've got only one mode or two modes, and sometimes you can pick from up to 7 different keyboard modes. All you have to do is to basically mark those which you'd like to apply. I think I want this one, so let me mark it and untick this option. I don't need this one. So let's tap on done. As you can see, the order language has been applied, so we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically right now we will have 2 differences, but right now only one is visible. So it is the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm kind of typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the order one. Right now we've got also the second difference. So the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So after getting back to the English, you can see that it is also here. So this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because sometimes you don't really want to have 2 or 3 different languages added, you just want to have one. So let's enter the languages, and here from this tab we have to tap on this edit icon, mark the language you'd like to remove, trash bin icon, and as you can see, it disappeared. So it simply means that we've got only English left. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.